In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently deleted messages on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Messages app, and first of all let me remove some message. To remove a message, just swipe to the left and hit on trash icon, and that will prompt you to delete that message, and that actually will move that message to recently deleted, where it will be stored for 30 days, and after that that will be permanently deleted. And in order to find recently deleted messages, you should tap on Edit and then tap on Show Recently Deleted, and that's where you can find all recently deleted messages, and from here you can check mark any messages, and then you will be able to delete those messages permanently, and then also you will be able to recover those messages. Unfortunately, from here you can't actually get into that conversation to read those messages. The only way to read messages is just to recover them in that way. After that, you can go to your regular messages, and then you can get into those conversations. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.